minutes left.
Sander on the lead, followed by Carl, Ronnie, and Wally. Anong nangyari? Naka-overtake yata si Kuya Ronnie. Oh! Oh! Ako, nakapagtulungan si mukhang ka-teammate ni Doc Wally si Carla. Sige, habol. Matagal pa karera. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes. Ayan na naman yung orange and yellow sa likod ng white. Ang tagal pa ng oras. So, gap is 1.38 seconds. 1.38 seconds. Sa first and second place. Sabi ko na. Hindi naman kayo makaka-overtake kay Kuya Robin at Kuya Robin. Kuya Robin talaga. Ay! Habol. Huwag mong gigil. Kaya na.
Minutes left.
Yung timing mo sa technical track. So yung timing ng braking is very important. One minute 30 seconds to go. It's still Sander and followed by Carl, third Ronnie, and fourth Wally. Whoop! Masyado na makapit Iwasan itong outside ng first corner. Kasi maraming traction ng pump dito.
Kuya Romy Papillion. All drivers finished. Finishing order 1 Sander, 2 Carl, 3 Wally, 4 Romy. Finishing order for M Chassis Intermediate, A1 Sander, Carl, Wally, and Romy.